Whenever you see one of our rigs called a pulley rig, I'm going to go over the principle of it. It's actually this point here is where the pulley effect takes place. How this works, we place the bait on the hook here, place it on the impact shield, cast. During the cast it remains absolutely aerodynamic. As it hits the water tension hits the impact shield, releases the hook. Now when the fish comes along, he picks the bait up, and look, he gets a free ride until then. That's what puts the hook into the fish. So when the rig hits the water, the surface tension of the water hits against the impact shield, which again protects the bait, and pushes it against this bead, which then kicks the rig off. But it's the water hitting there that does that. Two ways to rig the impact shield. If you're using small soft baits, you can actually put the hook onto the impact shield, which will hold the bait during the cast nicely. If you're using a big chunk of meat, we find the best way is to go to the loop. During the cast, the bait will pull back, but it can't come off. The impact shield's got it locked against that bead. And again, until it hits the water, then that happens.